Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today video is we have the continuation of our SQL series. So previous video is I had done CTE. So part one covered. So two queries I have covered in two scenarios. So one more scenario covered one of the most important interview question also this one. Most of the times I also faced the same this question. Uh, so this one also we had to solve by using CTE. So let's see this scenario. First of all, the scenario is find the popularity percentage for each user on Meta or Facebook. So simple thing is to find the popularity percentage for each user. For example, each user called as for example mine. So myself Vijay. So Vijay has some friends. Okay. So we had to get the Vijay popularity percentage. Okay. So like that, we'll see the question continuation. The popularity percentage is defined as the total number of friends. The user has divided by the total number of users on the platform, then converted to percentage by multiplying by 100. Output each user along with their popularity percentage. Order records in ascending order by user ID. So first, before looking to the problem, I created one sample database by using this scenario. So first, let's drop the table. So after dropping the table, I just create with the simple table user1 int and user2 int. So table name as Facebook friends. Okay, and I will insert with some records. Just randomly, I have taken with this Facebook friends table. Values are this one. Like, let's look into the values. So here I had taken two rows, user1 and user2. So user1, for example, 2. So user1, 2 has friend 1. So vice versa also. So if one has, user2 has 1, so one has the friend of user1, 2 also. Okay. So for example, here user1, 1 has friend 3, 1 has friend 5, 1 has friend 6. So let's look into the, for example, user1, how many friends? So first user1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So user1 has 5 friends. Like this, we have to find the total number of friends with popularity percentage for each user. Let's identify this one. First, we'll look into this part too, as how many friends does user ID 1. Let's look into how many friends does user ID 1. So for user ID 1, how many friends? First user ID 1. I'll write the just the numbers here. 1, 3, 1, 5, and 1, 6. Next 1, 2, and next one 4. So total here 5 friends. Okay. So this way we have to find the each user how many number of friends. So the same problem, let's break it to the parts. First we'll calculate the total number of users in FB. Okay. Then we had to find number of friends each user. Okay. So once we get this information, then what we can do? So if we do B by A, so B by A called as number of friends for each user divided by total number of users. We'll get the percentage. So that percentage we'll do as, so B by A multiplies 100, we'll get the percentage. Okay, simple thing. So let's look into this part. So first of all, we'll write the query basic one. First I will get the users. For user one, how many number of friends? Select. So I will write this part, right? Select direct. I will write this one. Select star from Facebook friends. Okay. Now here I will write as user one. So user one as users. Okay. So here I get the users for user one. So in this user one, I know same thing. I will copy paste to user two. Okay. So in this part, I will get the user two. Now what I can do, I want only all the combinations, user one and user two. Let's try to write the union all. What happened? I'll remove the semicolon. So here how many I get? 18 rows. So everything is to be mixed. All I get the users. So every, I mean, in the entire table, all the users I get though. Now what we can do? We need distinct users. Now select. I will try to write as count of users from this one. Okay, and we'll give as X subquery. If I do this one, I get the 18. But this is total users. I want only first distinct users. How many distinct users? So if I write this part, distinct users I will get. Okay. Now distinct users are 9. So we'll try to write the same thing by using CTE. With CTE as, open the brace. Now what we can do, I have the same query. This I will be pasting into CTE. Okay. Now, for example, this one has, so this all users. This is all users. So I will try to write the CTE name as all users. Okay, all users. Next thing, I will try to write another CTE called as number of friends. Number of friends as, open the brace. Now in this part, I will try to write as, so from all users only, I'll, so number of friends called as, so we need total friends, and so from all users only we'll get the number of friends. So select from, so from is, so I'm getting this all users only. I will write the all users. So from all users, I will get the group by. So group by users. Okay. So this users is available. So I will do group by users. So here, here also we will try to write the users. Okay. Users, comma, count of one as total friends. So this I will get the total friends. So up to this one. Okay. Group by. So this one close. Now I will try to write with the total number of users. Okay. So total number of users as, so this is again third CTE. So total number of users. So here I will take as select from. So total number of users. So will get from all users. This part only from all users. So here what we can take total number of users called as, so total number of users called as distinct users. So above we have written this part, right? Count of distinct users, this part. So this will write as here. Select count of distinct users as total users. Okay. So up to this one, fine. Now we'll try to write the select part. So this one I will close here. Main query will write here. Select part. So select part is select from. So from which one I have to write here? From first I will get the number of friends. From number of friends. Number of friends as n. So here what I can do is I know number of friends and I know total number of users. So if you know total, I mean number of friends and total number of users, if we do cross join, okay, so cross join total number of users, this one. So this one will call as T. So let's say here select star. If I execute this one, what I will get the output with, let's try this part first of all. Okay. So if we look into this, so total number of users are 9. So user 1 has how many number of friends? 5. User 2 has how many number of friends? 3. User 3 has 3 friends. User 4 has 1 friend. So we have total friends is available, but we want only percentage. So here I will try to write in select part. In select part, first we will get the users. So write the users, comma, and we need total friends. Total friends. So here we need percentage of each user has, means total friends divided by total users. So total friends divided by total users multiplies 100. So this is only we will get the as percentage. How we'll call this one? Popularity percentage. Let's give as popularity percentage. Okay. So if I try to execute this part, let's see. So popularity percentage, we get the 0. So why we get the 0? Any idea? So popularity percentage. So this one has integer part. So let's convert to this one as decimal. So in SQL, we have the convert to decimal as cast. Cast of total friends as decimal. And this one also will convert to cast. Cast of total users as decimal. Okay. Now we'll try. Okay. So now I got the popularity percentage. So decimals are more number of decimals. Let's restrict to 2 decimals, this one. So again, we had to restrict to 2 decimals, cast of this one up to this part as decimal. So decimal of 5,2. So we'll restricting to 2 decimals. Okay. So if I do, yeah. So I get the popularity percentage. So for user 1, 55.56. Okay. Yes. Okay. So this way we will write the query by using CTE. Okay. So this is one of the most interview question previously also asking the scenarios. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll share the code in the video description. Thank you.